Hey guys, it's Ethan. Today we're going to be making a random star generator. First, we need to give ourselves a black background by converting to bitmap and then filling the black paint bucket. Then we need to zoom in 10 times and give ourselves a white paintbrush so that we can create our star, which is going to be a stamp because the pen module would take the costume you are in and stamp that onto the background until that is erased. So we're going for a cross shape, but we can add a few bits here and there to make it look more random. This is going to be part 1 for a game Asteroids, which is a shooter game. There's multiple asteroids coming at you, and this is just going to be the background. Now we're going to be doing the actual coding. For this, we're going to go to events, take out a one green flag clicked, and a repeat 10 times from the control modules. Then we're going to the operators and taking out 2 pick randoms. We're going to use these later, but for now we'll go to the extra modules, take the pen, and like I said, there's a stamp button that'll leave an imprint of the costume you are in. Now we'll be going to the motion. We're going to take out a go to X coordinate, Y coordinate, and that'll also be for later use. Now we'll go to backgrounds and select an XY grid. This XY grid shows how far the X and Y coordinates go. All the way to the left is X -240. All the way to the right is X240. And we're going to be showing these with the paintbrush. That's the limits to what you can see from the game screen. And now it's time to be using the pick random 1 to 10s and the go to XY. Basically all of the code now. We're going to be setting the pick random 1 to 10 to pick random -240 to 240, meaning that it can go on either side of the screen and all in between. Then we're going to drag the other pick random module in, and that's going to be pick random -180 to 180. And also we're going to be creating a different costume later on. And just like that, now we have the pick random -180 to 180 for the Y coordinate. So now the sprite for the star stamp can go all over the screen. Now we're going to be dragging the go to XY coordinate inside of the repeat 10 times box, just like this. And then we're going to be dragging the stamp under that so that the star will teleport random and then leave a mark.